Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be preparing these Caneles de Bordeaux French Caneles. Now, I'm going to be showing you two different cooking methods today. I've done a lot of trial and error on this so that hopefully you don't have to waste your own Caneles, but we're going to be doing this in your oven and your air fryer. So in my personal experience, I feel like the air fryer works best, but I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know so that you can make your own decision. We've got everything that we need assembled here. For your oven, you're going to need some sort of baking pan, and I would highly recommend some parchment paper. If you don't have parchment paper, I would highly recommend cooking on a light baking tray instead of a dark colored one like this. You're also going to need, of course, your Caneles, something to open up your package with, and I like to just use some tongs to take them out of the oven or out of the air fryer with. First thing that you need to do if you are cooking in your oven, preheat it to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, if you're going to cook in your air fryer, preheat that to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we just need to open up our Caneles and take out however many you plan on cooking. Now for our oven instructions, I'm gonna go ahead and place these on our parchment paper that is on our baking pan. Now, in my experience, if you place them directly onto a dark baking pan, they will burn on the bottom in minutes. So now we're gonna go ahead and pop these into our oven for 7 minutes. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. Now, if you're gonna make these in the air fryer, we are fully preheated. We're just gonna open up our air fryer and we're going to add in our Caneles. We're gonna put these directly into the basket. You don't need to add anything else. I'm gonna just make 2 of them right now, and we're gonna shut this lid and we're gonna let that go for 7 minutes. All right, it has been exactly 7 minutes in here. Now I'm going to remove my Caneles and I'm going to let them rest on a piece of foil first before transferring them to my plate. But that's not necessary. You don't have to do it that way. And now it's been 7 minutes in the oven. I'm also gonna transfer my oven Caneles to the foil and let them rest for about 5 minutes as well. So we have here our oven ones and here are the air fryer ones. Now I'm gonna show you the bottom. They are slightly dark on the bottom, but this is not nearly as burnt as they were before whenever I've tried them. So I think that that's pretty good in the oven. In the air fryer, it does get a little bit darker. However, here is the big concern. These are supposed to have a nice crust on the outside. If you want the crust, you're gonna have to go with the air fryer version. If you don't mind not having the crust, you can go with the oven version. Now, when it comes to the inside, I do feel like the air fryer ones are slightly less dense on the inside. The oven ones are definitely more dense, but also a little bit softer. So it's going to come down to your texture preference and how you really want to have these. So I hope that I've given you all of the information that you need to succeed with these and hopefully not have to waste any of them burning them up in the oven like I did. So here is our completed Caneles de Bordeaux French Caneles. If you guys would like to know how these taste, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase these again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.